All right, Trey Knight with Knight's Armament Company. We're at the SHOT Show once again. I'm going to go through some stuff, just some of the kind of standardized stuff. We're going to go around the world real quick and show you guys some of our gear. Start off here with the SR16. This is our full auto SR15 16 series. It's got the mid-length rail system like the SR15. To give you as much real estate as you possibly can out there for accessories. It's got the integrated front sight. It's got 11.5-inch barrel. It's got all our ambidextrous controls that we put on all our other weapons. And this is basically our military version of a M4 type rifle. It's pictured here it's shown here in a taupe finish or a painted finish, similar to the M110. We got our standalone here. So this is a 40mm grenade launcher that's mounted on a separate receiver that allows you to use the undergun mounted M203 on a standalone platform. So you can take it off and use it by itself after it's taken from underneath the weapon. Of course, it can always be deployed underneath the weapon in its standard area as well. You also see the MasterKey, what we call the MasterKey shotgun. This is an entry tool, and it's basically pictured here on the standalone as well. But this would be typically mounted underneath the bore of the M4 weapon as an entry tool, and we call it the MasterKey whenever you got to get in a door. You can see back here, this is an SR16 kitted up with a URX system, and our mounts to mount the M203 on the URX, which actually free floats the grenade launcher and does not clamp on the barrel like a typical M203 would. Also has the reflex quadrant sight and standard reflex sights as well. And that's a regular standard 14.5-inch barrel SR16. We're going to move on over to the next section. Okay, this is the fun stuff over here. What we got on this table is a couple of different collaboration pieces that we did, and these are just for fun. They're limited editions. They're 100 to 100 pieces, both of these, and they're just something that we like to put out there for collectors that they can get and get something special. That's something that we don't typically do. These are geared, commercial market geared weapons. The first one here, this is what we call the Nighthawk Combo. It's a collaboration with Nighthawk Custom, the pistol manufacturer, 1911 maker. They make absolutely exquisite 1911s. And we basically took and as a pun, we added the K to the front of the Nighthawk, and we worked together on this package. Basically, we used the dimpled barrel pattern that you see on from our PDW and battle rifle, and we took that pattern and just used it as a purely aesthetic addition to these pieces. We also, as you can see, we put the medallion in the grips and to make a match up. So this is a collaborative piece between Nighthawk pistols, between Knight's Armament Company with the SR15, and Strider Knives is providing the knife. So it's a 3-piece combo set, limited to 100 pieces, and the guys that get these, they're truly going to have a one-of-a-kind setup. Over here, we got the Magpul Dynamics project. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with Magpul Dynamics. Chris Haas and Travis, they run our gear a lot. We get a lot of positive feedback and a lot of input from those guys, and those guys are really able to give us a perspective on the stuff that we build that we might not be able to get from other venues or other avenues. So this is a collaborative piece. They had some specific requirements that they asked for specifically for an SR15 rifle. We made some additions to it. So this is again limited to 100 pieces, and it comes with a whole bunch of Magpul kit. It comes with a light and dimpled barrel, our triple tap muzzle brake, and like I said, a ton of Magpul accessories. The DVD set, 5 magazines, their sling, and the ASAP sling plate, their stocks, and their grip and their panels. So this has been a real fun project. We really appreciate working with those guys, and we're glad to be able to put something out like this out there, for the customers that appreciate Knight's Armament Company and appreciate Magpul Dynamics.